In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of AI in business. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and harness the power of AI, you won't want to miss this. Ever pondered how artificial intelligence is redefining the way businesses operate? It's an exciting question that we find ourselves asking more and more these days. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a buzzword or a distant concept. It's here, and it's causing a significant shift in the way businesses operate across the globe. AI is not just a trend that's come and gone. It's a revolutionary technology that's reshaping industries. From healthcare to retail, finance to logistics, it's creating new opportunities, streamlining operations, and even tackling some of the world's most complex problems. Whether it's through automated customer service bots, predictive analytics, or smart logistics systems, AI is playing a diverse and increasingly integral role in businesses today. It's not just about automation. It's about augmentation, enhancing human capabilities and creating value in unprecedented ways. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the intriguing world of AI in business. Before we dive into the depths, let's clarify what we mean by artificial intelligence. Often abbreviated as AI, it's a field in computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks could range from recognizing speech, decision-making, to translating languages. AI is not merely a set of rules or instructions programmed into a system. It's about designing systems that can learn from experience, adapt to new inputs, and perform tasks in a way that mimics human intelligence. There are two fundamental types of AI: machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that allows systems to automatically learn from data, improving from experience without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning, on the other hand, is a subset of machine learning inspired by the structure of the human brain. It creates an artificial neural network that mimics our own, allowing the system to learn and make decisions on its own. Now that we understand what AI is, let's explore how it's shaping the business landscape. Artificial intelligence is no longer confined to sci-fi movies. It's right here, revolutionizing businesses in ways we never imagined. When we think of AI in business, we generally picture robots assembling products in factories, but the reality is far more nuanced and exciting. AI is transforming businesses by automating repetitive tasks. This doesn't just mean physical tasks, but also cognitive ones. AI algorithms are now capable of processing and analyzing vast amounts of data faster and more accurately than any human ever could. This automation frees up employees to engage in more complex creative tasks, increasing productivity and innovation. But AI's capabilities don't stop at automation. One of the most impactful ways AI is changing businesses is through data analysis. AI can sift through millions of data points, identify patterns and trends, and make predictions about future behavior. This can help businesses make informed decisions, optimize operations, and even predict market trends. And let's not forget about customer service. With the help of AI, businesses can provide personalized customer experiences like never before. AI chatbots can answer customer queries 24/7, provide personalized recommendations, and even predict customer needs before they arise. However, the integration of AI in business doesn't come without its challenges. Privacy and security concerns are at the forefront, with businesses needing to ensure they handle customer data ethically and securely. There's also the issue of job displacement. While AI can take over some tasks, it's crucial to retrain and upskill employees to work alongside these new technologies. On top of these, there's the need to make AI algorithms transparent and understandable. Businesses must be able to explain how their AI systems make decisions, both to maintain customer trust and to comply with regulations. Despite these challenges, the benefits of AI in business are undeniable. It's not just about increased efficiency or profits. It's about creating a smarter, more responsive, and customer-centric business. AI's potential in businesses is immense, But to truly understand its impact, we must look at real-world examples. Imagine walking into a store where the shopping assistant knows exactly what you need. That's not a distant dream anymore, thanks to AI. Let's delve into a real-world example of AI in the retail sector. Our case in point is none other than the global e-commerce titan, Amazon. Amazon's use of AI is a textbook example of how this technology can enhance customer experience and boost sales. Amazon uses AI to create personalized recommendations for each of its customers. These recommendations are generated by sophisticated algorithms that analyze your browsing and purchasing history, along with the behavior of customers with similar profiles. So, when you're browsing Amazon, the items you see are not randomly selected. They are carefully curated selections tailored to your tastes and preferences. This level of personalization makes shopping on Amazon more like walking into a favorite local store, where the owner knows you and suggests products you might like. It creates a more engaging shopping experience and encourages customers to spend more time and money on the platform. But the AI magic doesn't stop at recommendations. Amazon also leverages AI in its operations, using it to optimize inventory management and streamline the delivery process. This not only cuts costs, but also improves customer satisfaction by ensuring that products are in stock and delivered promptly. The result of all this AI wizardry? A phenomenal boost in sales. Amazon's recommendation engine, powered by AI, is responsible for a significant chunk of the company's revenue. It's a win-win situation. Customers enjoy a personalized shopping experience, and Amazon benefits from increased sales and customer loyalty. But beyond the benefits to Amazon and its customers, this example illustrates the broader potential of AI in retail. With AI, retailers can gain a deeper understanding of their customers, predict trends, optimize operations, and deliver a superior shopping experience. As we can see, AI has revolutionized the retail industry, but its influence doesn't end there. From predicting diseases to personalizing treatments, AI is making waves in the healthcare industry. Let's delve into a real-world example to truly appreciate the impact of AI in this field. Take Google's DeepMind, for instance. DeepMind is a cutting-edge AI system that's making headway in the field of ophthalmology. How, you ask? Well, it's been trained to predict eye diseases before they become critical. By analyzing thousands of retinal scans, DeepMind has learned to identify signs of conditions like age-related macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy, which are among the leading causes of blindness worldwide. Now, think about its implications. Early detection can mean the difference between vision and blindness for millions of people. It also allows for early interventions, which can significantly improve the patient's quality of life. But it's not just about disease prediction. AI is also personalizing treatments and making healthcare more efficient. For example, AI algorithms can analyze a patient's genetic profile, lifestyle, and health history to recommend personalized treatment plans. It's like having a tailor-made healthcare plan designed with every minute detail of your health in mind. AI also streamlines healthcare operations. Hospitals generate a massive amount of data daily, and AI can help manage this data efficiently. For instance, AI can automate administrative tasks like scheduling appointments or managing patient records, freeing up time for healthcare professionals to focus on what they do best, caring for patients. Moreover, AI can aid in resource allocation. By predicting patient influx, AI can help hospitals better manage their resources, ensuring that every patient receives timely care. These applications of AI are just the tip of the iceberg. With continuous advancements in technology, we can expect AI to play an even more significant role in healthcare, from drug discovery to robotic surgeries. These examples give us a glimpse of how AI is reshaping industries. But what does this mean for the future of businesses? Stay tuned as we explore this question in our next segment. The AI revolution is just beginning. The possibilities for businesses are endless. As we look ahead, The potential applications of AI in business are both profound and transformative. From automating routine tasks to predicting market trends, AI is poised to become a game changer in the way we conduct business. Imagine a world where customer service is handled by AI bots, capable of understanding and responding to complex queries in real time. Or a world where AI algorithms sift through vast amounts of data to identify potential risks and opportunities, making strategic business decisions more accurate and efficient. However, as with every revolution, challenges lie ahead. The integration of AI in business is not without its hurdles. Ethical considerations, data privacy concerns, and the need for regulatory frameworks are just a few of the issues that need to be addressed. Moreover, the AI revolution will inevitably lead to a shift in job roles and responsibilities. As AI takes over routine tasks, the focus will shift to skills that AI cannot replicate: creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. Businesses will need to invest in reskilling their workforce to thrive in this new landscape. And then there's the challenge of innovation. In an AI-driven world, businesses that fail to innovate risk being left behind. It's no longer enough to simply keep up with the latest technological advancements. Businesses need to be at the forefront of AI development, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and constantly finding new ways to leverage AI to their advantage. But despite these challenges, the potential benefits of AI in business far outweigh the risks. With the right approach, businesses can harness the power of AI to drive growth, improve efficiency, and create a more personalized customer experience. As we embrace the AI revolution, one thing is clear. AI is not just shaping the future of businesses, it is the future.